Hi, this is a very interesting project that we just finished. So what it does is it allows the employee to schedule an appointment with the tenant, and how that works is just for my thing. I'll put my email address. So let's say I want to schedule an appointment with this tenant. What I'll do is I'll click on this schedule appointment, and then I'll select for whom I want to schedule. So these are the employees, and let's say I want to schedule for Jane Smith, and I'll click on this email sender. What that will do is it will automatically send an email like this to the tenant, and then like when the tenant clicks on this link, uh, he will be redirected to a web app, and this web app will have all the things filled in. So let me just show you. So if I refresh, so it will have all these things, the ticket ID. So let me show you that I filled in from this here, right? So I sent him a request to schedule the appointment, and all these things, the ticket ID, the problem of this ticket, the description of this ticket, and the location where we are supposed to send the technician is also filled in over here. So all these things are already filled in, and you can just select the date. So let's say if you forget to select the date, it will say select the date, right? So select the date, and this is also enabled. So if the employee is not available on Saturday, on Saturday it is like disabled. Also, you cannot book for today. For tomorrow onwards, you can make the booking, and also you cannot make a booking after like 4 weeks, right? So it allows you to make a booking up to 4 weeks, and then you select this date. Once you select the date, all the available time slots are automatically populated. So this particular employee, uh, Jen Smith. So what we are doing is we are reading from Jen Smith's calendar and seeing which time slots he is available, and then giving the tenant the option to select the time slot and then click on submit. Once you click on submit, then the slot will be successfully booked. Okay, so what that does is it automatically creates that event on Google Calendar. Great. I hope you like that work. If you need a similar script, please let me know.